So in this video, I want to show you a really simple way where you can earn commissions, residual commissions, 80% commissions using a turnkey system. So before I get to this though, I want to show you, so you're looking at the turnkey system actually. But what I want to do is I want to show you just how simple this is. So once you decide, you go to the link in my description and you decide to get started. You're going to see this page, you're going to enter your information, you're going to go through the system yourself, you're going to experience the system yourself. But let's just say you went ahead and did that. I want to show you how quickly you could be ready to go up and running when it comes to this system. So I'm in the back office of what's called the Home Business Academy. And you can actually look at this in light mode or dark mode. I have it on light mode. All you're going to do is click on this affiliate tab. Once you log in, you're going to scroll down. You're going to watch this video. You're going to scroll down and it's going to show the system right here. Okay, there's the system. All I do is copy the link, and you can't see it because I have this in privacy mode. It's actually one of the functions, one of the features of this system is you could put it in privacy mode so people can't see your sensitive information. And just like that, the system is ready to go as soon as it loads. And there it is. It's ready to go. There's absolutely nothing else you need to do other than share this system with other people. Now, I don't know how it can get any easier than that. Zero setup, ready to go. Emails go out. There's an ebook that is written that teaches people the value of making 80% residual commissions. So when they go through it, they read the book, they're going to have a clear understanding of the traps that are in the online industry where you're working way too hard for way too little. It's just, and that's just not a fun thing to do if that is something that you've ever experienced. Believe me, I've experienced it many times. So what I want to do is I want to show you where this goes. So once you put the information in, it's going to come here to the sales page. And the sales page, you have a little 3-minute video here that talks about the turnkey system. And it also talks about this right here, Sage, who you can come in here, ask questions, and this is actually going to take your prospects, your people who are visiting the page, it's going to take them through the sales process. So let's say they have a question. Sage is going to answer the question and move on to either the next question or ask a question that's going to be directed to them moving towards making an informed decision and getting started, which will pay you 80% commissions. So this whole system is designed to be hands-free. All you have to do is share it with people and the system will do the rest. And that's a beautiful thing. Now, I do want to talk about a couple things I was not aware of before in previous videos. So one of the things I want to share with you now, unfortunately, there's a lot of bad traffic out there. There's a lot of bots, like, so you can go buy traffic and you're going to get a lot of bots, you're going to get bad emails, you're going to get all of that. But this system has something built in where like you don't need to do anything. It's already ready to go, but it will filter out the bad emails. So it will not allow bots or bad emails to come in. So anybody that's entering your list, your system, is a verified email. So it's a real email. It's a real person, right? So that's really important because what can happen is if you go and let's say you purchase advertising from somewhere, and a lot of these advertisers, unfortunately, they do shady things. So sometimes you'll end up purchasing bots where it goes in, logs in, looks like you have someone, but it's nobody. And unfortunately, that's a practice in the industry. That won't happen here because what they have built into this system will not allow that to happen. So I think that's really cool. Another really cool feature is the emails are going to a domain that's been warmed up for, I believe it's over a decade. So unlike other systems that go into your own personal autoresponder and everybody else's personal autoresponder on all these different domains. And everybody's writing the same email. They're sending out the same email. What happens is the spam filter will be triggered. And then those emails that are supposed to be going out, they're supposed to be following up with your leads, are not being delivered. So what's cool here is when you enter your email, you go into the system, which is going to kick out, I think it's like 11 emails, okay, that are going to go out over time. And these emails are going to educate, they're going to tell a story. They're going to be by one of the founders of the company. So you're developing trust, value, right? And as people go through this, they're going to learn the model. They're going to learn about the founder. They're going to learn about the struggles and the mistakes and all that were done before. And all of this is done for you. And what's great about it is because of it's the founder who's sending the emails, the commissions go to you. Your link is in the email, but the founder is sending the emails through his domain. So those emails are landing in the inbox. They're not landing in spam, they're landing in the inbox. So that means your prospects, your leads, are able to read the emails. And last I checked, the numbers of those that go through the series, that go through the email series and that complete the email series, it's converting at 6% sales conversions. Now, the normal, what's considered good in the industry, is 1 to 2% sales conversions. This system is getting 6%. Okay, so that's huge. Like, you want that. You want to be getting a high sales conversion rate. And again, all you have to do, I showed you. You decide to get started by going to the link in my description, fill in the details, right? Go ahead and get started. Like, you can come right here as you scroll through the sales page, all your answers, like all your questions are answered in this sales page. If you just read the sales page and you come down here and you want to learn about the different products, they have videos for every single product going over what the products are, how they work, how they can benefit you. It's all there. It shows you what you can earn, shows you the pricing, like everything. And if you still have questions, you just come over here, click on Sage, and Sage is going to answer those questions for you. That's why we call this a turnkey system, because literally there's nothing else to do other than plugging people into this system. That's it. I could only dream of having something like this when I started. So it's very simple. And if you're not sure how to get leads into your system, there's all kinds of ways. There's paid advertising, there's free advertising. That's actually covered in the Home Business Academy in the products. So, for example, if I come to premium, you're going to see right here all kinds of training. Get get ready pre-traffic, get traffic paid, get sales conversions. Okay, it's all about being able to get leads to your system. And also there's live coaching that goes on 5 days a week where you can look over the shoulder of a 6 and 7 figure earner while they market right in front of you. You can get your questions answered. You get your work looked at. I mean, it's just coaching. It's coaching, straight up coaching. So all of that is available to you. But the main thing you must understand is this system is designed for the beginner in mind, someone who's been struggling online for a while, to make it as simple as possible to remove the obstacles that typically keep people stuck, keep people from earning, and just get you into action as quick as possible. And what's beautiful about this system is it works. It works. So go to the link in my description if you want to experience the system. You don't have to buy anything. Just go in there, experience it, see what it's about, see why it works so well. I mean, you will when you read the emails. The founder wrote the emails. He's a great copywriter. People buy from him all the time because of his emails, the way he writes his emails. They're not just little, copy paste type emails. These are well thought out, very well written, very well done, all designed to take your prospects on a journey, educating them, developing trust, and getting them to get into action. That's the whole point. And it's all done for you. So thank you for watching. Go ahead and go to the link in my description and you can go ahead and experience the system.